Alright, winding down the halfway point of the last official week of March. March 26th, 2025. CN Hayes here. 2045 coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin along the Canadian National Superior Summit and Milepost 353.17 with a video lined up. Southbound wood tick of L564 is here with the GMD ST40-2W of 5346 to lead it. Check them out on the road bys. We'll lean back and get them. We'll take that back. General Freighter with a C6M rebuild to lead it. 3405. Nice to return. You train. Terrain device is going. It is going to do it. Hot Q198 51 of the 21st. We'll do it for that new C6M rebuild of the 3405 in the DP of Tier 4 credit ES44AC 2966. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great night. I'll see you next time, and I hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.